Laying it all on the line. Understanding a key English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before. Lay it on the line. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your own conversations. To lay it on the line means to speak honestly and directly about something, especially something risky or important. It involves putting oneself in a vulnerable position to state the truth or to make a significant commitment. This phrase often implies a sense of risk because the speaker is being completely open and straightforward, possibly about a sensitive or critical matter. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can be quite enlightening. The phrase, lay it on the line, is believed to have originated from gambling, where players would literally place their bets by laying money on a line. It has evolved to mean taking a risk by being honest or making a significant commitment. This background helps us appreciate the phrase's connotations of risk and openness. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like, lay it on the line, into your speech can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are some tips on how to use it. 1. Expressing honesty. Use it when you're about to be very honest about your feelings or opinions. 2. Highlighting risk. It's perfect for situations where you're taking a personal or professional risk by being forthright. 3. Making commitments. When you're making a serious commitment and want to emphasize your sincerity. Examples. I'm going to lay it on the line. I think we should consider other options. She laid it all on the line during the meeting, expressing her concerns about the project. Let's put your understanding to the test with some interactive exercises. Try creating your own sentences using lay it on the line. Consider scenarios in your life where being honest and direct is crucial. How would you use this phrase in those contexts? Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of lay it on the line. We hope this video has shed light on this expressive phrase, helping you to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to enrich your English language skills. Stay curious, and don't hesitate to lay it all on the line in your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.